Oh, baby. Snake climbing palm tree is the title of this particular video clip. I mean, I didn't even know
Whoa.
they did this. I mean, I should have known they did this because how do you think they get up there?
But I didn't expect that.
No, to look like that?
No,
Yeah.
I mean, it looks so clean and satisfying.
Whoa.
Wow.
Cool.
Now,
It's a rhythm.
here's the thing. This is to catch birds, I guess, and nests and stuff, because that's what they would want to eat, right?
Sure, yes.
Wow, this is very effective.
Wait.
It would take you a while, though.
You don't know if he's a vegetarian. Maybe he's going for the coconut.
Oh.
Cracks a coconut.
Can't you see his tiny PETA t-shirt?
Yeah.
He's actually glued himself to the tree.
No, that's neat.
Yeah, it's one of those weird ones where it seems so obvious when you see it, but yet somehow you lived this many years of your life and you've never seen a snake climb a tree.
No.
Like, I don't know. I wonder what percentage of people are sitting here watching this show and they're like, oh, yeah, I've seen this happen
Yeah,
before.
true. Yeah, that's a good point.
Versus are like us, because here we're 3 for 3. All 3 of us are like, damn, never saw a snake climb a palm tree.
No.
But I think it's all the right scenarios too. It can't be like a huge like snake. Can't be like a super thick tree.
This one's pretty.
Yeah, I was gonna say that thing looks like
Well,
an
it can't be a
anaconda.
small snake.
I don't think you want. I don't think you want to mess with this guy.
No, definitely not.
But he's fast at first. I wonder if he gets tired because at one point,
He is
everything
moving.
for them is so circular. The movements and such. Man, that is such an unusual creature. The snake, isn't it?
And how did this particular snake know how to climb a
Oh,
tree?
somebody in the chat says this is actually the only snake capable of doing that.
Oh.
So it's a certain type of snake that has mastered this process. But definitely snakes get into trees, and so they maybe aren't quite as elegant, but
I wish I could find more information about this, but
not
all I
on
get is
Reddit.
funny comments.
No, not on Reddit. No, it would definitely be to try to get eggs, find a bird's nest.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. There's no other motivation. It's definitely not running away from anything. I can't imagine like it's a big enough snake that I do wonder what the predators would be. Palm trees, would you have eagles there? What would be the predator for such a thing? I don't know. Some sort of mongoose or something.
Yeah, probably.
I didn't expect to say mongoose today.
Well,
Like,
that
I just never crossed my mind either.
makes sense.
Snake brought it out of me.